So we're back in the studio tonight working on one of the final steps for the Slate jewelry, and that is putting the earrings together, put the wires on and all that. I've already done that for the pendants. Then I've gone through and I've matched the earrings that I poured and made sure that I've got something that goes with each pendant. So now I'm going to take this very last step, a couple of steps together. Alright, so what I've done is I have paired up these pendants with the earrings that I think will work with them. All these are stainless steel components. So now I've got these two. I've already glued a Swarovski crystal on them to match the pendant. So now I'm going to be taking these little stainless steel, what they call a jump ring, because it jumps from one place on the earring or pendant to another, and sometimes they just pop right out of my tool just like that, and it's like, where did it go? I don't know. So I will get that to go through the hole that my faithful husband and the best hole driller in the world has done. And so that slid through there. So now I'm going to put a jump ring. What these jump rings do is they allow the perspective of the, like in this case, the pendant. You've got to get something to go through the hole so you can put components on there, right? And then you've got to change the direction. That's the second jump ring. So you're jumping from one direction to the other, essentially. So then what I'll do is I'll take two of these little flat nose tools, and then I will close up that jump ring. We don't want anything coming off of there. And then it's as simple as this. I'm going to take the stainless steel earring wire, and I've already opened it up right there, and I'll just hang this so that hopefully that's the front of the earring that's going to show there. Yep. And then I'll close that up. It's not really rocket science, but it takes a little bit of time. And I won't even put that down. I'll go ahead and get my pre-printed earring card. Gold K stands for stainless steel, and the silver K is for alloy. But I go ahead and put this in here, get an earring back on it, and then I don't have to handle these again. It's minimal handling before the customer buys it. Okay? So I'll just set that there, and then we'll go to the other one. Again, it's a jump ring, and if I was going to put beads on it, I would put something else onto the jump ring. It would be something like one of these eye pieces where it's, or I connect that to the jump ring, and then I've got room for beads on there. These are not, they don't need any beads, so these earrings won't be getting anything like that, so they are the simplest ones to finish out. Many of my steps are, they're not complicated, and many of them are really not time-consuming, but they're still necessary, so they have to be counted. So finishing out the jewelry is actually one of the more time-consuming parts of making it, but one of the more enjoyable ones. So I do love making decisions about what beads and colors of wire and things each one is going to get to make it look its prettiest. And is it going to get a spiral? Is it going to get Swarovski crystals? Or what is it going to get to make it look its best? So like I said, this one is really just kind of lining up what the pendant, our decisions already made with the pendant. So I'm going to just hook that on there and close that back up and put that on the earring card. This is like steps 11 and 12, something like that. Now I'll put the back on this one. And there we go. Now we've got another set of earrings ready to go. And I'll probably set those together with the pendant. Beautiful, huh? The colors are just stunning. All right.